Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to manage your investments with Wealthfront. As a hands-off investment platform, Wealthfront offers a great solution for those looking to grow their wealth without the stress of day-to-day management. Follow this step-by-step guide to get started and make the most of your investment journey. 1. Create an account. First, visit the Wealthfront website and click on the Get Started button. You'll need to provide some basic personal information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once you've filled out the required fields, create a secure password to protect your account. 2. Complete your profile. After registering, you'll be prompted to complete your investor profile. This step is essential as it helps Wealthfront tailor your investment strategy to align with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. You'll answer questions regarding your income, net worth, and investment experience to create a personalized profile. 3. Link your bank account. Next, you'll need to link a bank account to fund your investment. Wealthfront allows you to set up automatic transfers, which can make investing easy and consistent. Simply provide your bank account details, and Wealthfront will verify your account. 4. Set your goals. Once your bank account is linked, you can set specific financial goals. Wealthfront allows you to choose from various objectives, such as retirement, saving for a home, or funding your child's education. Setting clear goals helps Wealthfront devise an optimal investment plan for you. 5. Choose your investment strategy. With Wealthfront, you have the option to select a high-level investment strategy. Wealthfront will automatically invest your money in a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds. You can also choose to include risk planning and tax optimization features like tax loss harvesting, which can enhance your overall returns. 6. Fund your account. Now it's time to fund your account. You can manually deposit money or set up automatic deposits to ensure your investment grows over time. Wealthfront typically recommends starting with a minimum of $500 to begin investing effectively. 7. Monitor your portfolio. After funding your account, you can sit back and watch your investments grow. Wealthfront automatically manages your portfolio, rebalancing it as needed to maintain your desired risk level. You can log in anytime to view your portfolio's performance and adjust your goals as your financial situation evolves. 8. Withdraw funds when needed. If you ever need to withdraw money from your account, Wealthfront makes it easy. Simply navigate to the withdrawal section in your account and follow the prompts to transfer funds back to your linked bank account. Keep in mind that it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. 9. Utilize Wealthfront's financial planning tools. Take advantage of the comprehensive planning tools offered by Wealthfront. You can explore scenarios for retirement, purchasing a home, or achieving other financial milestones. These tools can provide valuable insights into how your investments can work for you in the long term. 10. Stay informed. Lastly, make sure to stay informed about your investments and changes in the market. Wealthfront provides updates and insights through its blog and newsletters. Engaging with these resources will help you make informed decisions about your financial future. Remember, managing your investments with Wealthfront allows for a hands-off approach while still empowering you to grow your wealth effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Happy investing!